Hi, in this video I will teach you how to recover and regain access to your recently deleted photos and videos on your Android mobile phone. Bear in mind, when you erase or delete a photo and video, they stay in your trash folder for 30 days. And I will now show you how to and where to find them. First thing, go to your gallery. And in your gallery, tap on the three little dots and now go to trash. And now you can see all my videos and photos are already stored in my trash can. So if I want to restore those deleted photos or selected few or the whole lot of them, in order to select a selected few or one, tap on the ones that you desire and then go down here and click on Restore. In order to delete everything from the trash folder, go up here and select All. And now you have the options either to delete them permanently or to restore them.